To make pork gravy, roast or sauté a cut of pork and save the juices that collect in the cooking pan. Pour the juices into a glass bowl or measuring cup and allow them to stand until the fat floats to the top. Then, use a spoon to skim away the fat. Place about 3 tablespoons, 44 milliliters, of the fat in a small stovetop pan. Mix 3 tablespoons, 23 grams of all-purpose flour in with the fat and cook the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes over medium heat, stirring constantly. Turn off the heat and set the fat mixture aside. Pour some of the pork juices into a measuring cup and top it off with any other ingredients of your choice so that you have about 2 cups of liquid. Try combining the drippings with pork stock, cooking sherry, or cream of mushroom soup. Add the mixture to the flour and fat mixture in the pan and stir them together over medium heat until the gravy is thick and smooth. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Serve your gravy hot over the pork you just cooked, or add it to any other dish of your choice.